it all. First of all, I'd like to introduce to Mr. Meadows, who actually is the chairman of this country fair and owns all this property and everything, and he'll be making the prizes for us. First of all, I'd like to call the two judges up for a small something that we've got for them, and I hope you all put your hands together and thank them for doing a very, very good job that they've done for us. We've got Percy South and John Carter. We've got a small,
very much indeed. Very, very kind.
a small token here of appreciation.
They told me John Pratt had drunk all the whiskey. So anyhow, thank you all very much. Lovely job, and I hope you all enjoyed it. There were some very good dogs there. Thank you very much.
463 for England and 434 for Wales. So really it was close. It was just on the few retrieves where some dogs failed and some got it. So it could have gone either way.
So go down in posterity this will.
And the team, please.
Barry. Well done. Excellent. Barry, go on, Barry. Okay, that's all right. I don't want to get upset anybody.
They're sportsmanlike for you.
Well done. Very well done. He gets two, does he? I had another one. Oh, I see.
Everyone can breathe a sigh of relief. Sit back and relax. And today, of course, we've got the retrievers that will be working on the course.
I hope you all have a good day. You certainly will. The competitors will have a smashing day. There's not much in the line of spectators due to the weather, so we'll just hope for the best. And I'll just make some quick introductions. We're ready to start. First of all, I'll introduce you to the chap with the big mouth, the one on the video. But his videos are brilliant, and you'll all have a chance to see the video when we've completed. We did the video last year, the big year about him. Let's tell you, it was absolutely super.
It's a pressure thing.
Yeah, it is. And Dennis Knowles, been out of it a couple of years, actively. But everybody should remember Dennis's accomplishments. What Dennis doesn't know about it isn't worth knowing. So I think, have I missed anything on anybody? No. I think we're just about...
Just to say that the course has been slightly altered from the actual paperwork that you received due to the weather and the length it was taken to run.
Our preparations, stewards are being briefed and judges have been introduced, and now we're virtually ready for the op.
Scam.